Alright, so GM everyone. Prior to Dog's claim going live, I made a video and I'm making this video again. So on how to claim your Dog's token to a centralized exchange, which is Bybit in this case. So first of all, you want to create a Bybit account and make sure it is verified. As you can see, this is not verified. So um, actually, I'll getting this verified in a minute, right? So after that, what you need to do is there are a few details that's required. First of all, your user ID. This is the user ID. This is how you get user ID. So you copy this to your clipboard. That's step number one. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you are still new to this channel, please do make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. So after copying your user ID to your clipboard, you move over to this section here which says assets. You click on it. Always remember to complete your verification before doing this in order not to lose your tokens, in order not to lose your airdrop. So first, after that, you move to deposit, right? Click on deposit, and then over here you're going to see deposit crypto, right? You click on that. Yeah. So after that, you search dogs. Alright, let's go dogs, and then you search, and over here guys, this is dogs, right? You click on it, and please always make sure it's Ton. You get dog is only on Ton blockchain. It's not on any other blockchain. It's not on Solana blockchain. It's not on Ethereum blockchain. It's on Ton blockchain. So you click Ton, right? Please make sure to um verify your identity before doing this, not to lose your token. This is your dog's address, and then this is also a tag or memo, whichever you choose to call it. Please make sure to copy this. You copy this, you copy this. All this will be saved to your clipboard, and you'll be required to paste this in the required space. User ID, um, your dog's deposit address, and then um, your tag or memo, whichever you choose to call it. You come over to the dog spot here on Telegram, and then you click on, and then you just wait for it to load, open, and then you can see over here deposit to exchange, right? So you click on it. Then over here, this is exchanges and this is wallet in Telegram. If you wish to deposit your tokens to your Telegram wallet, remember there's a hot wallet on Telegram app. Yeah, so before you do that, you need to verify that wallet on Telegram before you deposit there. But for this video, exchanges, right? That's what we're dealing with. So you click on exchange, continue. Then there's OKX and there's Bybit, right? And I'm working on Bybit. For OKX, in this region, I think they've discontinued their service with this region, so that's why I'm working with Bybit. So you click on Bybit, right? And then you click send here. So yeah, do you have a Bybit account? Yes, I have it. If you don't, yes, I have it, right? Over here, you insert your Bybit user ID, your deposit address and memo, and then you send. That's how you claim your token. So I think on 20th